Hello to all our friends. Welcome to our Dance of Food Turkish Cuisine YouTube channel. Today I will give you the recipe of Ezogelin soup, which is indispensable for Turkish cuisine. Before starting to make our soup, I want to give you a short note. The capacity of the water glass I use is 200 milligrams. Our ingredients: 1 cup of red lentils, washed and drained well. 2 tablespoons of bulgur, washed and drained well. 2 tablespoons of rice, washed and drained well. We start making our soup. You can find the other ingredients in the video or in the description section below the video. Making our Ezogelin soup. After lightly heating our pot, we add 4 tablespoons of liquid oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 onion. We roast our onions on low heat until they turn pink. After the onions turn pink and soften, we add 1 teaspoon of flour and 2 cloves of garlic. We roast until the smell of the flour comes and add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and half a tablespoon of pepper paste on it. After the smell of the paste comes, we add our red lentils, rice and bulgur and roast for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we expect all our friends who watch our video to subscribe to our channel and support us, and we are waiting for their comments and likes about our soup recipe. If you have meat or chicken broth in your home, we add it and add 2 liters of hot water. We cook our soup without covering the lid until it boils. After our soup boils for 20 minutes, we add our spices consisting of 1 teaspoon of mint, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, and we also add about 50 milligrams of lemon juice and cook for another 15 minutes. Bon appetit to all our friends from Ezogelin soup, which is indispensable for Turkish cuisine.